My name is André Dicks. I'm responsible at allpack for sales and marketing, and I joined the company in 2017. So we offer pharmaceutical packaging with added value. Means we define our services from delivered bulk in oral solid dosage forms, means tablet or capsules. And then we do the rest, means in case of technologies, blistering or bottle filling. And then we also have additional services. This is the medical devices, which we offer the labeling and then to do the secondary packaging and to the rest. We invested in a late-stage customization blister print-on-demand machine. So this is sophisticated technology, means we optimize the supply chain of our customers, that we are able to produce blisters on bright stock, and then afterwards fulfill the complexity of the whole supply chain of the different kinds of countries, different kinds of demands, and there we print on demand and go directly then in the secondary packaging. We are behind on sustainability foil projects, means we are looking for sustainability in case of existing PVC blisters, which we now want to have a new foil on this, which could be, let's say, the PE or the PP blister then, which we now organized, made a project plan, and we want to produce this in the next half a year. So much of interesting topics, but for me, let's say the topic of anti-counterfeiting, also sustainability, then augmented reality. So I was in contact with Roche, I was in contact with J&J, I was in contact with Ferring, only to name a few. And I think what was very important and very exciting was the big audience here, the nice move and the good welcome